Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show to share a YouTube video on Quora.com. First of all, I can open my YouTube channel. On the top right corner, here you can see this one is my channel logo. Let me click here, YouTube Studio. And on the left side, here you can find out many options in YouTube channel dashboard. Click on Content. Scroll down, here you can see all of the videos that I have recently uploaded. Let me copy one of the video link, get shareable link, and here I can search for Quora, this one. Then open this website. You can easily create your free account by clicking on sign up button. Then you can select continue with Google. You can also create your account with Facebook. Now I am logged in. Then click on post, and here you can add video link. So let me wait for a few seconds. After that, add the link here. Then click on post button. That's done.